Hey guys, what's up? It's Kyle here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today I'm going to show you how to make a perfect protein cake, mug cake, whatever you want to call it. It's a very simple recipe and it's very easy to make, and it takes only about 1 to 2 minutes to make. So without further ado, let's get the show on the road. So the ingredients we need for today: protein, peanut butter, 1 egg, and a splash of milk. So let's get started. First off, we put 1 egg in the mug, 1 whole egg. Second ingredient, 1 tablespoon peanut butter. Our third ingredient consists of 1 scoop of whey protein. Any flavor you would like. I suggest going for the chocolate. And last ingredient will be a splash of milk. Just a little bit splash of milk. So, we mix everything together and we put it in the microwave for about 50 seconds to 1 minute on high heat. So, this is the recipe, guys. It's done. This is the mug cake. So, first of all, I will put the macros in the screen right here. And so, I know it may not look the best, but trust me, guys, it's very good. So, what I did was I put the cake here, garnished it with a little bit of strawberries and a drizzle of honey. So that was the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. It's very simple to make it. It's very quick. It only took me about 2 minutes. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and peace.